Welcome everyone, this right here is Super Mario 3D All-Stars. This is a limited edition copy, as early next year they're just going to completely stop selling this. So I want to do a quick unboxing and load it up on the Switch, and I'll give you my thoughts. So I have started the unboxing, so this video is easier. So we'll just get rid of the plastic. And now if I were you, I'd buy multiple copies. One, for you to enjoy. Then the second one is just a sealed version, which you can earn a ton of money for in the near future. So let's open the bad boy up, and all we have, no instruction manuals, we just have this. You can see Super Mario 64, some Sunshine, some Galaxy. Me personally, I played Galaxy, I played Super Mario 64, but never Super Mario Galaxy. So this right here is the cartridge. So everything you can see, Super Mario 3D All-Stars. Then we just have a normal Switch thing. So let's open up my Switch and get this game out. So what do I have in here? Mario Kart 8. I only play like Okami. So let's just put this bad boy in. Let's see what we've got. So there we go. I'm going to remove the Joy-Cons. Boom. Okay. So is this Joy-Con going to connect? It is. Boom. Super Mario 3D All-Star. So I'll be streaming this. What? But essentially, I'll be streaming this. No idea what on earth that is. I'll be streaming this game later today on my gaming channel, Sauna's Games. So make sure you are subscribed with the bell icon enabled on that channel. So just search up Sauna's Games, subscribe. And if you are a sub with this channel and you're wondering why you didn't get a notification bell, that's because I made a bunch of iOS 14 content, and YouTube would rather recommend those. So let's open up 3D All-Stars. There we go. And this is my first time. I've watched a bit. Huh. Interesting, because from what I've seen, Super Mario 64. Wait, hold up. Okay. Super Mario 64. Super Mario Sunshine. Super Mario Galaxy. Ooh, the soundtracks. That's really cool. Okay. So, let's load up Super Mario 64. Check the controls. Yeah, okay. Let me put this safe.
It's me, Mario. Hello.
So they have actually, unlike Super Mario All-Stars for Nintendo Wii, they've actually added the correct controls. So click on plus. Huh. Okay. I forgot you'd even use this stick. Okay. So no 16:9 aspect ratio. But the text, that looks very sharp. Very sharp. So they probably upscaled it to like 720p or something, to be honest. So how do I suspend the game? Okay, so you press these two together. So let's return to the title section. Alright. Let's check out the other ones. So I'm probably going to play Sunshine, most likely. I haven't played Galaxy ever, but Sunshine with the 60x9 seems pretty darn cool. And it also makes no, I wouldn't say that. Alright. Okay. Man, this looks so good. Oh, this looks so good. Wow. Right. Yep, they've done everything. I want to check the cutscenes. Are they upscaled? Cutscenes look great. If you play an emulator, they look horrible. Right, let's go to the title again. Let's check out Galaxy. Okay. So I want to see how this works. Do we just use this to control that spinning magic? I'm assuming so. Never played this in my life. Press R. Oh, you have to be kidding me. We actually have touch controls. Wow. Okay then. We actually have to use touch controls. Not even touch controls, like the gyroscope. So we'll select this. They even have the Wii interface. Interesting. So choose Mario. So this is literally my first time ever playing. I haven't watched gameplay either. So play this far. So how do you control that? Oh no, anyway, I'll be streaming this later. I actually want to like enjoy myself. So hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you did, smash like. If you didn't, smash 2 likes. Bye bye.